All right. So we have a sample, a sneak tidbit from our How to Cross-Sell Life Insurance course that just launched January 2025, available only until the end of January for $295. You can buy it, own it for the whole course, as long as you have it. But in this section, we're going to talk a little bit about, how to master cross-selling, where I'm going to go through our top philosophies you have to believe in order to cross-sell life insurance. So let's dive into this sample sneak peek tidbit just for you and your team. All right, now let's talk about why life insurance is so critical. What are the problems that life insurance solves when your clients have them? So I think this kind of goes into the why people need it. So here's one: financial security for loved ones. This helps people become whole after a tragedy happens. I always say to myself, you know what, if something happened to my husband, I don't want to have to come to work the next week. I want some time to be able to grieve and heal and figure out a new life and a new way forward. And for many people in America, they would have to go back to work the next week because bills have to be paid and we're going down to potentially one income from two. Income replacement. So, lost income for dependents, ensuring they can cover day-to-day expenses and long-term needs. Sometimes, like maybe you're taking care of a loved one in addition to working. Well, if something happened to you, you have to go ahead and they would have to go find some help for that situation. Debt protection. When you die, your mortgage doesn't go away, or your student loans, personal loans, or credit card balances. That all comes out of the estate, kind of draining the resources. Funeral and final expense. I say funerals are pretty expensive. And my dad passed away. He's cremated, had a very modest funeral, nothing too crazy. And it was still $12,000. So it's, for a lot of people, that would be a crazy out of pocket sum without life insurance. Educational funding. Maybe if you have children, you're thinking, well, hey, we were saving for their college fund. Now we have one income. Life insurance can help pay for that. Estate taxes and fees, because there are legal fees associated with the estate and clearing anything up. Business continuity for business owners. So by funding buy-sell agreements, key person or succession plans, in case of an owner's death. Legacy creation. You could have enough life insurance so that your children can buy businesses and kind of change the whole trajectory of your family. But for me, I felt very strongly about this one, just peace of mind. If something happens and I'm, in a bad situation health-wise, or an accident happens, I don't want to be thinking, oh my gosh, what is my husband going to do? I want to know, hey, he's going to be okay. And that, maybe that's not what you think about in those moments, but I think you do think about all sorts of things. And at least that'd be one thing that neither one of us would have to worry about in the last moments if something tragic happened. Supplementing retired income, because there are some that can build cash value. So it could be another resource as a financial vehicle. Medical debt. It's like I shared earlier with my friend Ryan, and his wife passed at $50,000 or $60,000 of medical debt, which is very hard to do when you're 26 years old. Preventing forced asset sales. So sometimes you have to sell the assets for the estate. The life insurance can come in, help to keep things running and keep things whole. Equalizing inheritance. So every child gets kind of an equal share. Maybe some children are involved in a family business or get the house. This helps equalize some things. Protecting a cosigner. So when I got my student loans, my parents had to cosign. If something happened to me, they would be responsible for those debts. And providing for special needs dependents. If you're a caregiver to people, that has to be replaced. Life insurance is really not an expense. It solves long-term family financial challenges. So when you think about life insurance, there's a whole slew of reasons why people would buy it. Everybody's reason is going to be different. But at the end of the day, we all have something, even just a funeral and the expenses of that. Many of us have debt. I have mortgages. I have a business to run. I have people to take care of. Life insurance isn't for me. It's for everybody else. So that I know how sad everybody would be if I wasn't here. They're not sad and scrambling financially. All right. Now we're going to talk about how to get comfortable with life insurance. We'll see you in the next lesson. Well, if that lesson doesn't inspire you to want to go ahead and cross-sell everybody, I don't know what will. So make sure you are focused on getting this course for your team. Again, only $295 until the end of January, and then it goes up. So let's make sure your team has all the tools to educate your clients on life insurance. Any questions, let us know. But we hope that you're pumped and psyched to go talk to every single client about life insurance.